Who controls the weather controls the world. What happens when two neighboring countries both want rain but there's only one storm? What if a rogue nation seeds clouds so their crops thrive, but it causes drought for their neighbors? Some scientists warn that drone-powered weather wars are not just possible, they might be inevitable. In 2018, farmers in India accused a neighboring region of stealing their monsoon with illegal cloud seeding. Lawsuits, protests, and conspiracy theories exploded. Now scale that up. Imagine two superpowers fighting over rainfall, with fleets of AI drones dueling in the sky. Are we on the edge of the first weather arms race?